So today I'm using an iPhone to record, and for the first time I've always used an Android phone. So please let me know if there's a difference in the quality of video, if I should stick to using an iPhone. Alright, so in this video we'll be continuing our ear training series. In the last episode, I introduced us to the Dorian scale, which is starting from the D. But the exercise was playing from C. After you do that, you go to D. So it was one here, one here, one here, one here. And the reason I added C to it is because I'm still introducing you to the Dorian scale. So I have to use the C to introduce the D to you, else you will be lost and you won't be able to trace the D. It's almost like a leader handing over to another leader. There has to be a meeting where the outgoing leader introduces the incoming leader. So that's why I gave that particular exercise the last time. Now, the incoming leader is in position. So we're no longer going to play the C scale. For the exercise of this week, every day just sit on your piano and play the Dorian scale and call the names of the notes. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. Like I always say, you can use one hand, it doesn't have to be both hands. Then when you've done Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Re for like 10 times, you can go to so that's ooh. You can use any alphabet. Any alphabet. Just repeat it 10 times for the Re, Mi, Fa, then 10 times for the alphabet, and that'll be all for the exercise. But the goal of this exercise is to be able to say this sound when you're not on the piano, or you're on your way to work, you're on your way from work, you're walking by the street, you are able to get it without having the piano beside you. So I just woke up, my voice is not clear. So basically that's why the sound is how it is. Re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re. You want to be able to do that even when you are not beside any sound recording instrument or sound making instrument. That's the goal of this exercise. Do it for 1 week and I'm sure you'll be able to achieve that. Alright, see you in the next episode.